Hey guys, this is Carissa from Creative Green Living again, and I wanted to show you one of my favorite things that I found at the Plaid Crafts booth at Creativation 2018, and it is this magical unicorn wall with unicorns and glitter, and it's so pretty. And you guys have asked me a lot about lead and glitter, because we've talked before about how sometimes really poorly made glitters contain lead, and that's a problem. And so one of the brands that I really love working with is Plaid Crafts. They are very intentional about making sure they formulate all of their products to be lead free, and they make their products that are water based. They make their products, all of their paints are made at their United States factory in Georgia. And let me flip this around here. And so they have this new line out called Glitterific, which is like super sparkly. And sometimes glitter paints, you know, they're really heavy on the paint and they're light on the glitter. And the Glitterific paint is not like that. It's super sparkly. You get a lot of sparkle per coat that you put on there. And I just wanted to show all of these to you. If you are concerned about leaded glitter and that makes you nervous, also using loose glitter can be an issue. When you work with glitter, you should never like rinse it down the drain. Getting glitter in our water supply is a really terrible idea. And so being able to use it in a format where it is bonded to the paint so that you can apply it, get like a really beautiful sparkly finish, and then it's going to be permanently adhered to whatever surface that you were adding it to. And again, this line specifically formulates all of their glitters, all of their glitter paint to be lead free. So I am excited about this new glitter paint. I made a project with it the other day, and I wanted to show that to you because one of the tenets of Creative Green Living is that you can have healthier choices that are still beautiful and they're still delicious, and you can live a colorful, sparkly life. And you don't have to give that up if you want to make healthier choices. There's healthier choices that are available that still, you know, make you feel good and are shiny and colorful and have all that wonderful stuff going on. So anyway, thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions about glitter paint, Plaid Crafts, leave them in the comments and then I will do my best to answer you. I'm about to hop on a flight to Portland. I'm leaving to go to the airport, so if there's a little bit of a delay, please forgive me, but I will get back to you with answers as soon as I can. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Take care.